Sir Don, with all the knowledge that you have, bakit aral ka pa rin ng aral? I've been to the UK and in the US once, and hopefully this coming November, another week of learning with Racetech sa USA ulit. And marami nagtatanong, bakit, Sir Don, with all the knowledge that you have, bakit aral ka pa rin ng aral? I've said this a million times. Invest in yourself. For example, kausap ko yung staff ko kagabi while we are at the swimming pool. Sabi namin ganon, I try to learn as many as I can dahil mawala man ang EV Moto, tumanda man ako, yung knowledge na na-acquire ko, hindi na makukuha sa akin. So, if you are a follower of AV Moto, if you own a business, there are a lot of possibilities. Hindi natin nababasa kung anong mangyayari sa panahon ngayon. If you invest in your knowledge, I don't think mananakaw sa yan ng kahit sino. And best of all, pwede mo yung ituro. That's what we are doing sa AV Moto, Race Power Suspension School, wherein soon, magkakaroon na po kami ng dedicated training center very, very soon. Para po, ang learning will definitely not stop. So ngayon na nakita mo na itong video, magkakaroon kami ng training starting from October 6 every Monday, and that will end on November 3. Ito ay suspension masterclass, so you can be an expert as well. Alam mo, kung ikaw yung nangangarap na magkaroon ng malaking negosyo related sa motorcycle industry or gusto mo magkaroon ng chance mag-abroad, I think this is the perfect opportunity.